إمم. إمم. Mm. At least I'll try to be a little bit better with that. You know what? No, I'm gonna let this one run. I'm letting it run. Hold on, give me a second. A sell limit under price, huh? Mm. No, I do. Oh yeah, this is probably the ones that have the trailing stops on them. Hmm. 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 Am I fighting against a trend? Hmm. I don't know. I guess we'll see if they come here and bounce. I mean, if they rejected here, where would they go? I mean, obviously they'll go down to like 42, 22K. Probably see a bounce at 22K or something like that. Hmm. Hmm. No, I don't. We don't got no news at 9. We just got the algo itself at 9. We don't got no news at 9. I guess that's probably when I want to stop. I think because um, for the most part, you see, I mean, that would have been the better one, the better add-on right there. Gotta beat up. I mean, right there, that would have been the better add-on right there. 138 versus 122, obviously. Mm. All right, so I guess we'll see what direction the market chooses at At the 9 o'clock, I'll go. I mean, I'm dedicating my heart to this short because it's like, where's the bulls gonna go? I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if they continue, but I just don't see where they can go, especially with that trend line in the way. I guess they can go up to the trend line itself, but it doesn't look like they're going to make any significant move. And I mean, we got this range of liquidity right here, and this is what I'm betting on: is that you got this range of liquidity right here. You have this support trend line that is possibly resistance. I mean, where can the bulls go right here? So that's why I'm in this short right now. And that's why I'm betting on the shorts. I mean, if I see a break, I don't mind flipping long, but uh, don't mind flipping long. But right now, I'm going to dedicate my heart to this short. All right, so let's see what they do in the next 20 seconds. Yeah, I mean, that could happen. All right. So not too much of a reaction from the 9 o'clock algo unless it's delayed. But if we didn't get any reaction at the 9 o'clock algo, yeah, that's definitely true. I definitely could have made more money. I'm just scalping back and forth. All right, so let's see if this is a real trend line that the market is going to respect right here. Let's see if the bulls buy it here. But like I said, I mean, where would the bulls go if they do? I mean, if they buy it here, where would they go? All right. All right, so there goes the never mind. Okay. Um, don't fill my target. All right, so there goes that first target. Mm. Well, okay. All right. No, I would just leave my stop where it's at. I think my stop is in a good spot. Uh, if I were to get stop out of this, then I'll just kind of reconsider my next play. Um, of course, of course. Why do I expect the Bears to do anything other than do this? I don't know why I always get. I always put my faith in Bears. Well, not my faith, but when I see the short setup, why do I think that they'll always follow through? It's always short-lived and bought right back up. Okay, so I mean, where would this even go? I mean, I guess we could just go back into a pre-market high and take that out, I guess. Mm, mm, okay. All right, so I'm gonna try one more short. If price gets up into this level, I'm gonna try one more short here. I mean, if price gets up to here, I'll try one more short. Because I mean, that's the apex of this trend line. I think we'll probably run pre-market highs or at least a pullback. Mm, Yeah, it's kind of annoying, honestly. It's kind of annoying. Yeah, that's the right way to look at it. Hey, what's up, Rose Forest? I mean, shit, at this point, I mean, the Bulls held this range. I mean, foolish me thinking the Bears is going to finish. Foolish me. Yeah, so the Bulls held this range. So that tells me that we're going to at least go up because it's a breakdown. I figured that the Bears were going to at least, that the Bears is going to at least finish the rotation, at least get a double bottom here. But I mean, I got to remember who I'm talking about here. It's these fucking Bears not finishing nothing. And then we're gonna probably get like a big giant move down. Honestly, I kind of miss that type of price action. I kind of hate trading in this big move up, big giant move down, big move up, giant move down kind of price action. I don't really care for it, but this is the kind of market we're in right now. I mean, do I even got the room for it? Is the question. I'm gonna start using that more often. Okay. If I can get in right here, then I'm gonna have enough room. Come on. Ugh. If I can get in right here, I can come in. I'll have enough room to get my targets hit, but I got to get in right here. So let me actually do this. Seriously? I mean, I feel like what the hell's even going on? This lag. What's up with that? So interesting when I do that. Okay. I mean, all right, some just gotta go now. Unfortunately, some just gotta it's unbearable at this point. It's really unbearable at this point. Mm, no, I can't get rid of that chart, man. Mm, okay. Okay. All right. I'm gonna lose all my trades today, apparently. All right. I mean, I feel like I don't have all that. It's not collecting that much data. You know? What was it? Not collecting that much data. Mm. Okay. All right. Well. Okay. Well, I literally gave back all my gains in this account. I'm now back down to break even. Don't know why I'm having such a rough start, but I guess that's what I get. I guess that's what I get for trusting bears. And then all of a sudden they have strength to stop me out though. Like, so with that, they have the strength to stop me out. Yeah, I think it's probably good that I'm not going to trade in any of my funded accounts today because I mean I see this and it's like it's a short, but then the shorts don't fucking work, man. Like god damn. And then when they do work, you're in long. So it's like all right, man, let me just really Yeah. Or at least it should be a short setup. I mean, you got a double top break. They should come in and try to sell the retest, but the bears never followed through. They never followed through. Mm. You know what? Let's just look at the ES because maybe it's just the Nasdaq being like that. Maybe it's just a Nasdaq. We can get our money back on the ES if need be. Yeah, since the Nasdaq wants to be a bitch, let's go over to the ES and see what we can get over here. Oh, last night. So I asked the mods how much are the commissions. He sent me a spreadsheet, or they, whomever. And would you know that trading micros is expensive? They're $1.74 for a round trip on one contract. And so if you're trading 10 contracts, you're paying $17 in commission. You're paying $17 in commission on 10 micros. I never realized, well, I never paid attention to it because I don't scalp. But last night when I was looking at the P&L, I was like, why is it like that? And I really paid attention to it on the micros. I might have missed it on this one. I might have missed it on the ES unless it comes back. Yeah. You can't chase the ES though. Nice one, Nasdaq. So she came back just enough to stop me out, just to pop right back up. This is some horrible price action. It's really bad. We only had one clean move in the pre-market. And if you was with me last night, we actually took this short. I didn't know I actually tagged the top last night. I left the limit right here at 63. You can see that it missed 65 altogether. And I was able to capture this move down last night. And since then, the market has just been chopping in this little range right here. So actually, let me really look at this chart and see if we can get something, because I'm definitely getting my money back today. 140.75. And I think Monday is President's Day, if I'm not mistaken. I think Monday's a half day. 143.50. Oof. Mm. Mm. You know what, man? I'm gonna try one more time. I'm gonna try one more time because it doesn't look like that's gonna get in there. Mm. Hey, what's up, Irish Wolf? What's up, Bray? What's up, everybody? Yeah, Irish Wolf. It's very interesting how we was literally at the top yesterday, and it did not feel like it. It felt like we was in freaking super support at the time. But obviously, in hindsight, we were literally at the top of the move yesterday. So it's interesting just how weak the bears are. Where when even though we're in supply, it feels like we're at support. And I hate when I see a short setup, and the ones that I don't trust, those are the ones I work out. But it's just at this point, I was talking to my trading partner Smith yesterday, and I was like, man, I really don't want to take shorts anymore. I really don't want to. Even if I see a short setup, I prefer to go long because it's just the bears just don't follow through, and it's tiring and it's stressful. It takes up a lot of mental resources, and once you finally take that deep breath, once your targets finally get hit from a short position, you don't even want to trade anymore. Or mentally, you're just spent. So I mean, even though I mean, obviously it's habit at this point. I mean, I'll take a short setup when I see it without thinking about it. But it's just the fact that I gotta ignore them in the first place is kind of annoying. 143. Yeah, that seems about right. Uh, mm. He said, "Don't abandon the fan base." Nah, nah. Bears are weak. I'm not even a weak person like that. I like to win. And then here comes the Bears. Once you said fine, fine. I mean, I guess since they don't want it, fine. And then that's when they come in. That's when they come in. 39.50. All right, high 143. Okay. All right. So the shorts worked. Unfortunately, they worked. I should. I mean, if I took the damn thing, it probably. Mm, mm. I mean, honestly, it's kind of hard to trust. I mean, I see the 200 EMA sloping up. I know the Bears are weak out here, but man, with this slow price action from the Bulls as well. I mean, obviously the money was on the Bulls side today, but mm, all right. So I mean, there's obviously liquidity here. They dipped into it and then they bounced and then they came to the top of it, and it's looking like they're trying to bounce it. But man, at this point, okay. Oof. I hope I didn't say that, but mm. I mean, the question is, mm. I mean, it doesn't feel bullish, man, but it does not feel bullish. It looks bullish. It definitely looks bullish. Just doesn't feel that way, and I think that's what's kind of throwing everything off for me right now. I mean, you got price coming up in this range right here. I mean, you got all the liquidity in this range. So obviously, now this range is acting as support, at least for right now. But my gut, or is it my gut? I'm thinking that price is going to slice right through that, though. I'm thinking price is about to slice through that. And I should have taken this short right here at this trend line. All right. So this is what my plan is. If I'm correct, I'm going to wait for a move down, a pullback, and try to short as high as possible for this move down. I mean, shit, even when you get confirmation from bears, they give that shit up. So I mean, it's always a gamble going short. But the only thing this market is giving us right now is bearishness. So it's like, well, and every time the bears are making their move, the bulls are just buying the dip. Okay. I mean, should I take the chance on the bulls right now? Hmm. Nah, I'm not. I'm not. No, I'm not gonna do it, man. Because I mean, where the bulls gonna go at? Where they gonna go? No, I'm not gonna take it long, man. I'm not taking it. Nice one, NQ. Nice one. Nice one. I mean, if that were to happen, then that's gonna happen too. They probably see a move down there. I mean, why not? I just kind of want to get into this and be a part of it. Fucking weak bears. Yeah, I definitely agree, Irish Wolf, man. Today is definitely one of those days. It definitely is. Yeah. I mean, looks like they holding it too, man. Looks like they holding this too. You know, now that I think about it, 102 was a wall last night. 102 was a wall last night until it wasn't. And then you can see they came back and bounced it, and then they broke it, and then they came back. And then you can see that now they're holding it. Huh. Yeah. Today is definitely a range day though. At least so far. A bullish range, but a range day. Mm, yeah. Okay. I mean, let's see what they do here at this little swing high right here at R2. Let's see what they do. Oh man. Okay. I mean, I doubt this starts trending. I doubt it. You got the EMA sloping down. I mean, I doubt it. I mean, unless it does. It's getting kind of annoying at this point. Mm. 187, huh? So you're looking at the same level too, around 180. I was looking at 187 because it was 187 is a 100% move from where we are now. You said that you're looking at 180. Yeah, okay. Well, I'm glad we're on the same page about that game weight. So I was thinking the same thing too. I was like, maybe I am probably overthinking this. First thought was 220. But why 180? Why were you thinking 180? All right, I gotta get rid of some of these, man. I mean, do I need 180 days of data? Okay, so let me just probably just do this. Let me just take it down. I think 180 days. 108 days is probably good enough. I already got 90 days on this. Okay. I mean, I'm not necessarily looking at these charts for. I don't really need that much data to be loaded here. I'm not necessarily looking at this chart neither. So I don't need it to load this much data, but yeah, I don't need it to load that much data. I don't need it to load this much data on this chart either. Damn, I got 45 days. What the hell? That's intensive, dude. 18. You don't need that much data on there. Let's cut some of this processing speed that my laptop is using. 60 days. I was about to say, I was like, dude, I know I didn't put no damn 60 days on no hourly chart. Um, 27 days. I don't need 27 days. Probably should put this at 18. I need to load that much data. And on this gold chart, I think I got it to where I want it. About 3 days. Okay. Well. All right. I guess I was wrong. I had an opportunity to get in at this little area. I should have trusted it. And this is what I'm talking about in terms of charts versus your heart. My heart cost me $4,500 this morning. The charts, I would have made me rich. The charts would have made me rich. My heart cost me $4,500. All right. And it's always the chart that's on stream that freezes up. I have no clue why it does this. Like why particular? Maybe I have to need to reset this laptop. Obviously I'll do it after the stream, but it's always this one that freezes up for whatever reason. Okay, it gave me a control for like, oh, no, it didn't. It just probably just moved to the left. Yeah, Irish Wolf, I definitely agree with you. I definitely agree. I was actually looking at 245 for the short, but somewhere in that area, 245, 250, 260. Okay. Man. All right, man. We're back above that trend line. The charts would have made me rich. My heart cost me $4,500. I told Smith that if I ever tell them that the Bears are in control and that that I'm gonna go short, that I asked him to tell me to get some help. Stop it. Get some help. The Bears are never in control. This is a bulls market. It's where they buy and where they sell. That's all. This is where they buy and sell at. Damn. If I went long where I thought okay, so I was thinking about going long here at 33. See, I doubted my analysis. I moved my damn limit down from 33 to 27. Oh my God, man, stop fighting against these damn charts. If I can just put my heart in a box when I'm trading, because I don't need it. I don't need it when I'm trading. Shit. So I had the right read on the ES at least. I was thinking about it on the Nasdaq, and on both instruments I fumbled because my heart wanted to believe that we were going down. Should have stuck with the charts. Okay. All right. All right. So I mean, what did they do here? What do they do here? I mean, does the bulls keep pushing, or do we see that price got swept here, and the bears or the bulls take their profits here? I mean, does the bulls take their profits here, or do they keep buying and potentially see a move back up here to 245, where they're going to take their profits? Mm, yeah. And yeah, gain weight long term, I wouldn't short. I mean, the only reason why I take a short is, I mean, I'm an intraday trader. But shit, if I'm long term, I wouldn't short this. Shit, I would never short this. Long term, I would just keep buying the dips long term because shit, that strategy within itself's been working for the last year. All right, man. Well, all right, man. I'm gonna trust the charts on. I'm in the wrong strategy. Man, damn it. Hmm. Hmm. All right, so we got a break. I mean, did they come back? All right, so I want to see what they do here. If they come back here, I want to buy the retest here. We had enough buyers here to break this prior structure, take out pre-market high. Man, I mean, dude, this is a short. This is a short. I just don't want to take it. Oh my god. I don't want to take it. I don't want to take it. That's a short. That's a short setup. If it ain't, oh my god, that's a short. I think I'm going to regret not taking that short. I'm going to regret not taking that short. Mm. Yeah, Marquise, I definitely agree, man. I definitely agree. I was telling Smith last night. I was like, dude, because he's in his if you didn't know that TradingView is having their competition, their leap competition, and he's shorted and he's holding strong. He's being a stubborn bear with that short. And as price races higher, I mean, he's holding. And I was like, dude, you playing with your P&L every time you take a short. You're playing with it. And my funded accounts, I don't take shorts. I really don't. I just don't trust them. I don't trust the bears to follow through. I just don't. I'm always waiting for the pullback to buy the dip in my funded accounts. And the evals, I'll take the short if the setup presents itself, but not in my funded account. Never in my funded accounts. I should have bought the damn. Damn. Come on, NQ. Don't do that to me. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Mm. They bounced perfectly at this trend line right here. So, like I said early in the stream, my bias is like, I guess I'm so strongly bearish just because, man, we're underneath this trend line. There is no way that the bulls get over this trend line with this slope like this. There's just no way. I mean, we could do something. I mean, I guess we can just do this, but then we're so far underneath this trend line. We're gonna need a lot of price action, and we're gonna need a lot of this going to the right before we can break out of that. And that's why I'm just so short biased right now because of that trend line. I don't know how the Bulls get over that. I really don't. I don't know how they get over that. And the market's been respecting this trend line since Wednesday's session. So I mean, I just don't know how the hell they get over that. I'm not going to sit here and say that this trend line is invalid because the market has been respecting this line all week. And so now that the Bears are in a good position under it, I'm thinking to myself, dude, how did the Bulls get above that? This is now a resistance line. So the only way for the Bulls to get away from this line is to push it to the left, or I'm sorry, push it to the right, and then create a new trend to go up. But this right here, I highly doubt that it goes all the way up and breaks that line just to start trending again above it. That would be absolutely crazy. But I guess I wouldn't be surprised if it happens. I guess I wouldn't be surprised. Well, technically, we're trending again. The EMAs are all sloped up. They're holding the trend line. They're holding it. All right, so let me see if I even have the room. If I have the room to do it, then I mean, shit, why not? I guess. All right, if I have the room, can I have my box back, please? Yeah, I'm gonna reset this laptop, and I'll probably make the because obviously there's something going on with this screen. Hmm. Hmm. That does not look right. That does not look right. Let me just look at the ES because the Nasdaq is just going to try to lie to me. Let me just look at the ES. Okay. Hmm. 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 All right, so we got to move down. We got to move down. Two-legged pullback into support. We got to move up. They came back and they sold it down. They made a swing high right here. So let's see what they do here. I'm not gonna allow the Nasdaq to lie to me. If the ES can get over this line and find support, then I'll just say fine. Then the market wants to be bearish. 143. I mean, it wants to be bullish. I'm not gonna have the Nasdaq lie to me. All right, so let's see what the ES does here at this swing high right here. I mean, if they crap, I'm going short, man. I'm short in the ES. All right, so let's see what they do. Let's see what they do at this high. I'm getting my sell limit here just in case. All right, I'm putting my sell limit right here. All right, and I'm definitely gonna reduce my risk on this. It's a 6-point stop. And shit, if the Nasdaq ain't or the ES ain't gonna go, the Nasdaq's not going neither. All right. All right, let's see if I made the right decision here. So the reason why I took this short is if the bulls can find support above this swing high, then we're going higher. This is supposed to be a strong high up here. But if the bulls can find support here, then I mean I'm wrong, totally wrong, and I'm going to pay for it. I wonder if they'll let me do it. No, it won't. Mm. Yeah, I'm glad to hear you that. Yeah, dude. All right. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. I'm glad to hear that. Knife art. And yeah, I think I may have made a mistake here. We'll see. These bulls are being relentless right now, and these bears are being super weak. But this, I mean, they keep forming short setups, and it's like, why, why? Follow through. That's all we want. We're not looking for a reversal. We're just looking for you to follow through when you make a setup. Damn. Just follow through. Show some damn initiative. Show some strength. Shit. These bears are fucking aggressive when everybody's trying to be a bull, but shit, when it's time to short, I'm being all coy. Hurry up, get to your objective so we can go back being bullish again. Yeah. All right. So like I said, I may have messed up here. We'll see. I'm not gonna I'm not going to deal with randomness and choppiness and all that other stuff that comes with the NQ when she's not moving. The ES, I can rest assured that if I'm wrong, I'm wrong.
and I don't have to risk that much. I mean, right now I got a 6 point stop, but I can always reduce it. I mean, I don't need the whole 6 points here. I think if the bulls don't find support here, then it's going down. If it's going up, then honestly, I should reduce it down to about like 47, right there at the high of day. Honestly, I don't need the full 6 points with the ES. All right, there we go. Stop fucking lying to me, NQ. A nice entry on the ES. Beautiful entry on the ES. Beautiful. Beautiful entry on the ES. This is why I only trade the ES in my funded accounts for the most part. If I when I have more than one funded account, I'll probably use one for the Nasdaq, but they're all running the ES. I mean, I don't have to worry about the bullshit. I can put an 11 point stop and know that in the morning I'm going to be in profit because as long as I'm using the correct directional filters with the ES and I know exactly where I should be getting in and out at, I don't even need the 11 points, but why not have it just in case, it could be one of those days where the market super extends and it comes back. It never touches my 11 point stop. And I have an 11 point target. So it's a 1-to-1. I make $560 minus commissions, I think. Yeah. And I let that rack up. And if it touches 11 points, I only lose $560. Like, that's nothing. I can easily get that back. I mean, my strategy is if I lose on the ES, if I lose an ES trade, then I can risk the other half of the drawdown on a Nasdaq trade. Usually, I don't see a loss on the ES, but if I do, then I can easily get that back on the Nasdaq easily. So that's my system that I use on my funded account with these smaller accounts. These 50K accounts, you kind of have to be perfect in them. You really can't, they don't give you the contracts up front. They only give you 10 micro contracts and only one mini contract when you first start out. So you have to allow the market to come to you to have the best entry and the best opportunity to make some money. All right, well, I chose the ES. The Nasdaq, she can kick rocks at this point. Being nasty to me today. Okay. If I can get these targets hit, I'll flip long where I got my limit at. I'll flip long again. But we'll see though. Because I think if the market comes down here, back where we got that break of structure, and we got this move up, I think the bull's going to come back in this area. So I'm gonna go long here. Okay, so we got one target hit on the ES. See a head and shoulders pattern on the ES. Are you talking about this right here? So what are they gonna do here? Shit, I don't know. Hmm. Now the shorts want to work, huh? Now the shorts wants to work. I kind of had a feeling that they was going to short it here, but man, these freaking bears, man, their weakness. I don't like that shit. I was going to short this. I was actually looking for a short here. I just didn't trust it, especially now that, they popped it right there. So I think this is what's going to happen. If we see a move down and if we get a pop back up, I think bears are going to come here and aggressively try to short that. They're going to try to break this range. I mean, once we get price to break that range, dude, we're going down. We're probably going back down to 22.05. And I'll look to see how the market reacts here. But I mean, honestly, after 11:30, I'm not trading no more. Well, actually, no, I need to get my money back. So never mind. If I was green today, I wouldn't be trading anymore, but I need to get my money back. I'm not in it today like that. So it looks like I got my second target hit on the ES. No, ma'am, you're going to hit that damn target. What the fuck? Oh my god. No. All right, I gotta take these trailing. I gotta take it off. I could have sworn I took that off. Yeah, what the hell happened? Huh. Mm-mm. Damn. It's always these stupid little things, man. These stupid little things. Okay. Hmm. Let's see what they do in this area. Let's see. Actually, let me look at the Nasdaq. Look at that, dude. Like, what the fuck? All right. All right. I guess I must have used up all my luck last night because uh, looks like the market gods are not in my favor today. It's not one stupid thing, it's another stupid thing. Okay. But I mean, all in all, man, we had a beautiful entry here, man. Beautiful entry. 143. Uh, how many points was that? 43 minus 29. I mean, so far, 14-point play on the ES, which is great. 14 points on the ES is a real trade, especially if you got real size on that thing. So that was a great trade. Unfortunately, my stupid trailing stop, or I clicked the wrong one. I wanted the third target to get hit and allowed my fourth target to run, but mm, I mean, no, I can't do that shit. I can't. I can't do it. I can't do it. I can't. I can't do it. Mm, I'm gonna have to update these ATM strategies anyway. I'm gonna delete some of these. Some of the trailing stops are kind of annoying. Well, there's no point trying to short that low. I mean, the only time it's only good when it's to short that low is when it works, but then these bears ain't gonna follow through unless they do. But if they do follow through, where do they go? Because I mean, if they break this range and the bears are able to hold this, then we're going down. And like I said, I don't see the bears or the bulls getting above that resistance trend line because that's not resistance. The bulls are well underneath, or the bears are well underneath it. I mean, they're using this trend line now, but they're underneath this one. So, like I said, my heart is telling me this is a bearish move, but uh my heart keeps losing me money. So, mm. I think maybe as we go deeper into the session, the bulls will probably go home, and then the bears can chop it down. But uh, I don't think we see anything bearish for real. Let's look at the ES real quick because I'm tired of the NQ lying to me. All right. Okay, so let's see what they do here. Let's see if they sell the retest of this breaker structure here at 136. If we see them sell the retest here at 136, I'll potentially get in. I'll probably re-enter short here, but I need to see the rejection first, and I'll target like 27 or something like that. I need to see that rejection first. Uh, yeah. Man, you definitely trust in Bears right now, dude. Do you got that much faith in them or what? Mm, you're trusting Bears to follow through. Yeah. Okay. All right, man. All right. Um, definitely playing with my P&L right now. Definitely playing with it. Yeah. Definitely playing with it. Let's see if this is where they want to go. Let's see. Actually, let me look at the Nasdaq because I really don't. Hmm. Hmm. All right, man. I'm gonna do it, man. I'm gonna do it. I'm playing on my P&L. I'm totally playing with it right now. Totally playing with the P&L right now. Mhm. All right, let's see if I'm making a mistake here. This thing just shoots up and it hurts my feelings. All right. All right, so 57, 57. I'm gonna put my stop above this high just in case. I don't want it to be close because I could be too early in this move. Um, I'm trying to ignore all this green over here. What this indicator? I'm trying to ignore it. Uh, mm. I mean, at least the ES trade is working out. Seriously. Mm. At least that's working out. I don't. Okay, so what I will do though is I don't trust that all these targets will get hit. I don't trust it. Maybe 125, probably back down to this range is probably all we get. But 37, yeah, 27. We may get 26, maybe, but mm, you know what? Let me just spread the love out a little bit on these. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna restart my laptop. Like this is crazy, dude. It's this whatever this screen. All right, man. This thing is literally frozen, dude. It's just this screen. All my other ones I can adjust and move, so I don't know what the hell's going on. Mm. Yeah, because if we come down, we're breaking through this, though. We're breaking through that. Like, I'm not gonna deal with this crap, man. Uh, okay. All right. All right, so we'll see if the bears will follow through here this time. We'll see. Mm. Shit, I hope not. Are you talking about you said 150, yeah. Yeah, hopefully it does. Shit, I dedicated my heart to this short. Hopefully it does. All right, like I said, I'm not gonna deal with this. Okay. I got 5 minutes and then I gotta head over to a meeting. 5 minutes. So let's see what the Bears can do in the next 5 minutes. How they're gonna break my heart, or they're gonna make me a happy man. I can go into the weekend at least with my break even. So I was down 45 and now I'm only down $1,800. I guess I could close right now and just accept that, I was able to get some of my money back, but you know how that's not how it works. That's blasphemous as hell. And the way this thing is looking, like, all right, so man, I'm seeing it. I'm just trying to ignore it. They got that pop, and then they're trying to find support here at this 200 EMA. They could do that. I'm trying to ignore it. I'm trying to focus on the objective here, which is getting price to go back down here. Of course. When will you learn? Don't ever trust the bears to follow through. Don't ever trust the bears to follow through. When will you learn? All right, I'll do that in a minute. When will I learn, huh? All right, I'm only down $1,000 now. So I can at least, if I can end at least with my break even, I will accept that. I will accept that. I will accept my break even. All right, so let's see if we can get this first target hit. Of course not. 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 Huh? Oh shit! I'm just seeing that. I don't want to see that though. Oh my god. Okay. I think I may have messed up here, but like I said, I've already dedicated my heart to this short, so I'm just gonna stick with it. But what I see here is hopefully that I'm wrong. But I mean, again, the Bulls are just making it very hard to trust shorts. I mean, you got them 1, 2, 3 times they find support here. They break above, and it's looking like the bulls are trying to buy the retest again. It's looking like they're trying to buy the retest there again. They are buying it. I hate bearish days, man. I hate them. I hate them. I hate them. It's crazy. This is not even a bearish day. It's just that the bears are strong enough so the bulls ain't going rampant and crazy, but they're weak enough to the point where they're not following through again. The bears have yet to follow through in any of their. Okay. Well, no. I mean, it wasn't. No, it really wasn't. No shit. I mean, at this point, it don't even make sense to even have it there no more. Where is that at? About 106. I'll probably put it at 107. Okay. Okay. All right. All right, guys. I got to end the stream here. We'll see what happens. You know where my targets are. You know where my stop is. Either I'm going to go into the weekend with this red day, or I'm gonna be a happy person. We'll definitely come back on Sunday night. We'll look at the price action, and we'll definitely look for ways to earn more money. With that said, peace out, everybody.